what's going on? It's your boy Weekend Gardener. I'm with Al at Al McKinney.
Al McKinney.
Al McKinney. And what beach are we at? The beach.
Yes, this beach is Guaruja Beach.
Guaruja Beach. And we're in what city in Brazil? The city.
City Guaruja and beach is Asturias.
Asturias Beach.
Asturias Beach and the city is Guaruja.
And the city is Guaruja.
Yes.
It's all good. And what we're going to do today is we're actually doing a special. We're going to do a taste test of a fruit I've never had before. And we're going to do it on the beach. So what do we have here? Tangerina?
Nectarina.
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 I was close. So go ahead and let's split this open and see what it looks like. Now this is grown in Brazil. I've never seen that in America at all.
Look at that.
Maybe at some international market, but we're gonna see.
Yeah.
Go ahead and pop that baby open.
No, you can't. You must eat with the peel.
I know, but split it so we can share.
Okay.
So we're gonna split this and share, and you're supposed to eat it with the peel on it.
Yes. This fruits we eat with the peel. Let me catch knife. Okay.
See, this is my normal guinea pig. My mom, she was just a side guinea pig to help out since Al McKinney was not with me. Okay, so cut it in half.
Cut.
Right down the middle. One half for me, one half for you. We're gonna see how this thing tastes. Oh, perfect. Show the folks the inside, what it looks like. Ooh. I have no idea. It looks like it has almonds in the middle, but hey, we don't. Those are seeds, and we don't eat those, right?
No, the seeds.
Okay.
Let me take the seeds off. Seeds.
There you go. Oh, I want to save those seeds too.
Yeah.
You know, I always say that. Save the seeds.
No seeds.
Thank you. Okay, here we. You know what? Usually my guests, they try it first. You've had this before, right?
Yes, I had before, but you know.
Yeah, I've never had this. So
yes,
I want to know
when
you eat it, go first. Let me know. Describe the taste. Sweet, sour.
Sweet. Soft.
Soft, okay.
See, what do you think?
It has a real high water content, I can tell you that. It tastes like nothing I've tasted before. Very mild. I taste a little bit of sweet, but not sweet like cherry, apple,
it's not so sweet.
banana.
Eat the peel.
Okay.
It's a good fiber, a lot of fiber.
Okay, so it's fibrous. Okay, so when do you normally eat this fruit? For breakfast or just snacking on it? How do you eat it here?
Breakfast or snacks. In Brazil, we eat fruit all day.
All day.
No matter the occasion.
Okay, for me, 1 to 10.
1 to 10.
I give it a 3.
3?
I give it a 3.
It's so for you?
It's not even so. It's I tried it. It wasn't nasty, but it wasn't like, oh wow, I gotta have another one. So if I never had this ever in my life again, I'll be okay.
Okay.
So I wouldn't hunt for this, but there you have it, Nectarina. Nectarina, here in Brazil. Peace.
Bye.